Let's unbox the November GlossyBox. This edit is called Rock and Glam. Let's get in here. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have this is the November GlossyBox. Let's get it open. Yeah, so this box costs $13.25 per month, but I have a code and a link. If you click the link in the information box, or I'll put it in the comment box as well, I'll pop my code there. If you use that, you will get your first box for £10, I believe, which is a really nice little saving. Yeah, so here is the box. We're back to the normal pink one. While I open this there, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know when I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. Helps my channel out so much. At the end of the video, I am going to announce the winner for the October box. And yeah, I'm going to do a giveaway for my November box. So this is a PR box, and where's my other box? They kind of came through at the same time, which is strange. And this is my box that I pay for monthly. So that's what I'm going to do a giveaway for next month. This edit is called Rock and Glam. Cool. We don't have an edit card with this one because it is all digital now. So you scan this on your phone and it'll bring up the digital version of the edit card. So there is a sneak peek for you. But let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. Just to remind you, this is gifted to me, this box in particular. So yeah, I did not pay for this at all. It's gifted to me so I can do an unboxing on my channel to show you lovely lot, to try and entice some new subscribers. But yeah, like I say, I pay for a box every month also too, because I love GlossyBox so much. But yeah, let's get to it and see what's in here. Just to add this little segment here, I unboxed the Christmas advent calendar from GlossyBox. I'm doing a giveaway for it, so make sure to click that video and watch it, see what you've got to do to be in with a chance to win the 2022 Glossy advent calendar. Get to it guys, get to it. It's a fantastic advent calendar. Right, so I've got my card, let's just quickly scan it. It's not scanning. Oh no, it's not scanning. Right, we are freestyling it guys. I do apologise. I think it's because it's pink and white that it's not scanning, or I could be wrong, I don't know. Or is it my phone? I don't know, because most of the time it doesn't scan for me. So I won't be able to have a look at a sneak peek or anything on there, because I can't get on there to see. So yeah, we are definitely freestyling it. The first item we're going to start off with is this one. It's pink, it caught my attention and I had to pick it up first. So it's by the brand Nip and Fab, and it's from their Purify collection, and it's a salicylic fix facial scrub. And it is, it's a gommage, and it's a cleansing lotus flower and salicylic infused scrub. Awesome. There's 75 mils in here. It just says on the back that it's got salicylic acid in here, vitamin E and volcanic rock scrub. And it just says a deeply purifying chemical and physical exfoliating scrub infused with lotus flower and volcanic rock to cleanse, decongest and revive the skin. That sounds amazing. It is sealed. I'm going to leave that sealed, but I love exfoliating. Maybe too much if I'm honest, but yeah, can't wait to give that a go. I have is this. So this is by the brand Doctor's Cosmeceuticals. Wow. And this is Photo Face, a photo finish effect in a flash. Minimise the appearance of pores, fine lines and uneven skin texture. Helps to lock in moisture and keep makeup in place. So we have a primer. It's 30 mils. This brand, I love this brand. Very expensive brand, but very good quality products that they do. Amazing. Yeah, I not normally want to use a primer. Every now and then I do, but that actually sounds awesome. I might have to give that a go. Third item we have is this. So it's by the brand Spectrum, and it is a makeup brush, and it's A40 Smoky Shader. I think this was made specifically for Rockerbox because it says Rock and Glam on there, which is the name of the edit. What a lovely colour. So it's like a blue handle and then rose gold. That goes so well together. And that feels so soft as well. Oh, nice. Fourth item I have is this. So this is by the brand Floss. Oh, and it's an eyeshadow quad. Oh, fantastic. And the shade, or the palette name, is called Almost Nude. So this is the packaging. It's like a white plastic on the bottom and then a frosted white see-through plastic on top with the brand's name on. Oh, yes. Now you're talking. But yeah, that is gorgeous. That is absolutely my palette at the moment. Yeah, should we do some swatches? Yes, we should. Oh wow, them shimmers are stunning and the mattes are very pigmented. Yeah. And final product we have in the box is this. So it's by the brand, I always get this wrong, Sasajuan? Sasajuan. That's now the name forevermore. And it is an anti-pollution shampoo. So I think if you watch my channel quite often, you're going to know what I'm going to say. Where is the matching conditioner? It's one of my pet peeves where we get either a shampoo or either a conditioner. And unfortunately, there's no conditioner here. It is just the shampoo. I'm going to have to go on the hunt for a little conditioner to see if I can get it to go with this. I like sets. I like things that match. It's just the way that I am. Although, especially, I must admit, when it comes to the shampoos, it is nice to use a shampoo, and then if I'm doing a mask day, if I'm filming a mask video, obviously I don't need to use a conditioner then, but still that's no excuse. I like a matching set. But great brand, absolutely awesome brand. There's 30 mils in here, so you should get a couple of washes out of that depending on how much hair you've got. I think I should be able to get 2 washes. Oh, if you haven't noticed as well, yes, I dyed my hair grey. It's semi-permanent, so it will wash out, but I'm loving the grey. I really, yeah, love it. But yeah, never mind, off track. So yes, love that we've got this. I just wish we got a conditioner to go with it. Guys, so this is the November GlossyBox. This edit is called Rock and Glam. What do you think? Personally, I am absolutely loving this box. Yes, I am disappointed that we've only got a shampoo. But most boxes do that. They don't give us sets. It's very seldom that we do. But the brands in this box this month is great. I mean, we've got Nip and Fab. Yes, it is an affordable brand, but I think that's a full-size product and a good one at that. We have Doctor's Cosmeceuticals. That brand is so good, and it costs money to get things from there, so that's fantastic. The quad eyeshadow, I am over the moon with that. And then yeah, we've got a gorgeous makeup brush to accompany it with. Yeah, this definitely gets my seal of approval. So if you are interested and you're not yet subscribed, use my code and link down below. Get your first box for a tenner. Right guys, so let's get on with the giveaway. There's 4 simple steps to be in with a chance to win the November box. 1 is to obviously be subscribed to my channel. It's 4 subscribers. 2, follow me on Instagram. 3, like this video, and 4, comment down below what is your favourite product in the box and make me a winner. That's all you have to do. But let's get on with announcing the October box winner. So let's do this. Right, so I'm just putting the link to the video of the October box. Tick in duplicate users. It's asking me to do a little sum here. And yeah, let's see who the winner is. Alison, well done Alison, please message me your information. So a huge well done to that winner. Please go over on Instagram, private message me your details so we can get the ball rolling and I can get your prize sent to you. Well done. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.